This is a classic Jamaican recipe, but with a big twist. This is cabbage and saltfish stuffed dumpling. Yes, if you want to see how, just keep on watching. So, welcome to all my returning supporters. Appreciate you guys a lot. For those of you coming for the first time, welcome as well. Please make it official by tapping the subscribe button and hitting the notification bell to become an official member of the family. So let's make this, guys. So here's a run through of my ingredients. This is all the regular ingredients we'll use for steaming cabbage with saltfish. We have cabbage chopped finely in chunks. We have our shredded carrot, onion, garlic, hot pepper, assorted bell pepper. I'm using red and with a bit of yellow and some green. And here I have a bit of saltfish that was left in the fridge, and that I'm going to use. So our first step is to add a bit of oil to our pot and add our cabbage to start steaming. And we're going to add our saltfish to this and add season as we go. So I'll come back when there's another step to be explained. But this is just like a regular steamed cabbage, okay? So just continue watching and enjoy the beautiful background music. While we work on the dough. So here I'm just putting this in a bowl to cool down while we work on the dumpling dough. Okay? For the dumpling dough is typical with a twist as well. We have all-purpose flour, salt, a bit of sugar. Yes, I said sugar. And we're going to use water, regular tap water, to mix until we get a nice soft, not sticky soft, but soft dough. And then we rest those until it's time for us to make the dumplings. So just continue watching, guys, and I'll come back with another step to be explained. Our dough has been rested around 15 minutes. Now we're going to divide the dough in. I'm going to get about 6 or 8 balls from mine, but make sure they are all equal parts. You can make these as big as you want or as small as you want. So now I'm going to flour my surface, flour my rolling pin. We need a bit of water to seal this off, and we're going to roll this flat, and then we're going to add our filling. So I'm going to keep rolling these, and I'll come back when it's time to add the filling. Fun part. Okay, we're going to place about, depends on the size dumpling dough you have, the rounds. I'm adding 2 of this 2 heaping spoon or a bit more to mine, and I'm going to add a bit of water to the end and clamp those off. I'm going to do this 2 ways: pinch and fold method and the fork method. Whichever method is perfect, but the key to this is to press firmly so that the filling inside doesn't leak out, and also to press the filling so that there's no air trapped inside. If there's air trapped inside, then the dumpling dough will definitely burst. So here I'm adding my water, and we're going to do the pinch and fold method for this one. So just watch as I do this, guys, and I'll definitely come back for the next step. These are all filled, and I forget to mention I add my water boiling, and whichever way you're supposed to have your water boiling. So as soon as you're finished, you start add these. I'm going to allow these to boil for 7 minutes. If you have a steamer, you steam these for 10 minutes and they will be done. I'm going to definitely invest in a steaming basket. So in the meanwhile, while the dumpling boiling, I'm going to make a sauce. And this is just some onion, garlic, bell pepper. I add to a pot with a bit of oil, and we're just going to make a sauce. So I'm adding some seasoning that I use for my cabbage, a bit of ketchup, and some water. And we're going to make our sauce, put aside. In this, we're going to toast our dumplings. So continue watching, and I'll catch you at the end of the video. So as you see, I just tossed my dumpling in my sauce, and this smells so good, guys. And then I'm going to serve this up. And I'm going to serve this up, and then I'm going to garnish with some finely chopped parsley. Isn't this fantastic, guys? Yes. This is a must try. a very nice twist of a classic dish. So tell me in the comment section if you will try this one or if you ever tried this one. No, let me change that one. You definitely have to try this one and come back and tell me, Nicole, yes, it was as you said. But I'm going to try this one for you. And the taste was so spectacular. The soft, nice, well-seasoned cabbage and that chewy dumpling outside. Wow. Yes, the foodies can relate to what I'm trying to explain. But if you enjoy this one, please like the video, share, drop me a comment below. And if you haven't subscribed as yet, please do so at this moment. And put your bell on if you haven't, and you won't miss another upload. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.